All right, today we're gonna be working on our next Mastering Martial Arts kick. Today's kick is the front kick. Let me hear you say it. Front kick. Even stronger, front kick. Follow me. Aya! Let's break down the kick. It's gonna end up looking like this. Aya! I'll show you this way. Aya! Let's start with the 3 parts. Part number 1, pick up your knee. Say 1. Good, again. 1. Now put out your foot. Say 2. And bring it back. Say 3. Let's try it again. The balance can be a little tricky, but you can do it. Yes, you can. 1, 2, 3, and then right back. All right, now keep your body up tall so we can do it a little faster. Let me hear you count the parts. With me. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. All right, now faster. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it all together like this. Aya! Follow me. 1. Aya! 2. Aya! 3. Aya! Now, the most important piece is to make sure we push off the floor. I want to see how fast you can get that knee up into your kick. Let's try 3 more. 1. Aya! Push off the ground. 2. Aya! And 3. Aya! All right, last set of 3. Let's finish like a warrior. It'll look like this. Aya! Aya! With me. 1. Aya! Aya! 2. Aya! Aya! 3. Aya! Aya! Switch sides. Let's break it down. 1, 2, 3. And then right back. Again. 1, 2, 3. And right back. Now this kick uses the ball of your foot. Stand on your tippy toes and bang on the floor. The part of your foot that's touching the ground, that's the ball of your foot. That's what we're gonna try to touch our target with. Let's try a little faster. Aya! Good, again. Aya! Now last set of 3, let's finish like a warrior. Aya! Aya! Try to beat me. Aya! Aya! Try your best. Aya! Aya! Stand tall. Yes, sir. Bow. Yes, I can. Great job starting with your front kick.